Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card driver. So first you have to come gigabyte.com website and go to right side, just search button and enter your model number of motherboard. Enter B860ME, then hit enter. Then click to product. B860ME, click on that. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using Windows 10 11. So if you are using any, so no worry, because installations process same, Windows 10 installations process same. Audio driver, and click to download. I already downloaded. Just click to download, it will start downloading. 165 size this is, and just open it. After that you can see this like that. Then double click to exe. Then click to yes. After that it is extracting to your system a driver. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will close automatically, means this is installed. And it is closed, and then install it.